Hey guys, in this video we're going to be checking out the top 5 best gardening tool sets that are available on the market for their true quality. I made this list based on my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions, and more. If you want to see more information and the updated price, you can check out the description below. And also make sure to subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video. Starting at number 5, we have the Glaric Gardening Tool Set. There are a few reasons why the Glaric Gardening Tool Set is our top pick for the enthusiastic gardener. For one, the tools included in this set are made of high-quality, durable aluminum, and each tool has an ergonomic, non-slip handle that is comfortable to hold for long periods. This set comes with the basics, including a trowel, a pruner, a rake, a weeder, a transplanter, and a weeding fork. Aside from these basic tools, you'll also receive a pair of gloves, which are great for reliably holding the tools and keeping your hands safe as you weed and plant. What really makes this gardening tool set special is the fact that it comes with a tote bag. The bag can hold your seed pouches, fertilizer, and other gardening materials. Plus, there are pockets on the side of the bag for easy access to some of your most commonly used tools. We've chosen this gardening tool set as our best overall choice, thanks to its portability and wide variety of tools. Moving on, at number 4, we have the SEEDR GardenWorks Gardening Tool Set. The SEEDR GardenWorks Gardening Tool Set is the perfect choice for any gardener. The set comes with all the essential tools needed for planting, digging, weeding, and transplanting, like a garden bag, trowel, cultivator, transplanter, weeder, pruning shears, and gardening gloves. Featuring black carbon steel and walnut-stained wooden handles, the set is modern and elegant, with a rustic charm that will complement any garden. When it comes to functionality, this set delivers. The breathable fabric and rust-resistant metal construction ensure reliability. The ergonomic handle design and strong and beautiful tote bag make this set an investment that will last for years to come. And with its water-resistant material and dry pocket, you can be sure that your valuables are safe no matter what outdoor activity you pursue. At number 3, we have the Scuddles Gardening Tool Set. The Scuddles Gardening Tool Set comes in a variety of colors, including beige, black, dark green, light green, and gray. With an included tote bag to carry your tools into the garden with you, this gardening tool set makes gardening a breeze. Plus, the bag comes with side pockets for easy access to all your gardening tools at once. There's even a large side pocket for a spray bottle or a water bottle. This gardening toolkit contains all the basic tools you need to grow a thriving garden. There's a trowel, a rake, a weeder, and a transplanter, among other handheld tools. This set also comes with a pair of gloves and a bottle sprayer, making it a complete kit that has everything you need for a day in the yard. If you have a loved one or friend who's a gardener, this gardening tool set also makes a great gift. At number 2, we have the Tudoccy Gardening Tool Set. The Tudoccy Gardening Tool Set has a large quantity of tools to meet all your gardening needs. This 83-piece set includes a variety of different tools and materials to kickstart your home garden. Including the basics, such as a trowel and rake, as well as specialized tools and gloves, this kit has it all. One unique accessory that this garden tool set comes with are butterfly stakes. These little stakes add decoration to your garden. This set also includes helpful tools like a cultivator, plant tags, plant rope, and self-watering spikes. All of these specialized tools make this kit the perfect addition to an intermediate to advanced gardener's tool shed. And finally, at number 1, we have the CHRYZTAL Gardening Tool Set. Quality matters when it comes to gardening tool sets, and the CHRYZTAL Gardening Tool Set is sure to impress even the most dedicated gardener. It's important that your gardening tools are made of high-quality materials, particularly if you use them often. The last thing you want is for a tool to break right when you need it. The tools in this set are made of durable, heavy-duty stainless steel and feature non-slip handles. They're sure to last for years to come. Featuring 6 basic tools, this gardening tool set also comes with a tote bag to carry the tools around your garden. Thanks to the tote bag's smaller size, some gardeners might actually prefer carrying around a lighter tote, especially if they have a large garden. While this gardening tool set doesn't contain a huge quantity of tools, the quality of the tools means that these tools will last for a long time. Thanks for watching, guys. I hope you liked this video. If this video was helpful to you, please make sure to like, comment, and subscribe. If you have any questions related to this product, you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.